Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vacaville local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers has expert professional movers that are ready to attend to your every moving need. Our Vacaville Moving Company is a one-stop shop for everything moving related. We have a wide variety of services that cover every aspect of a move. Headed out of state or to another country? You might easily be able to hop in a car and drive, but it's a different story for all of your belongings. You need to look for reliable moving companies in Vacaville, CA. To keep your valuables safe for the trip, let us pack up your things in protective packaging. We will pack all you need into our trucks and meet you at your new place. Getting to and from your new home or office might be a breeze, but having to pack your things anyway and move them certainly isn't. Instead of coping with the many difficulties that come with moving, let 3 Movers do it all for you. We'll have you packed and resettled on the same day. Other Vacaville moving companies cannot match our efficiency. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vacaville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.